In this video, we're gonna learn how to build discipline the easy way. So you wanna stick around to the end, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and make sure you like this video. Before we dive in, I hopefully this shit don't cut off because my phone memory been terrible lately. I don't know what's going on. The shit just keep dying with memory. I'm trying to make these videos 10-minute long, but if y'all got any tips how to extend my memory, man, let me know. But let's get into this video, how to build discipline the easy way. So we got the board out. So we're gonna dive right into it, man. As you see, building discipline, you gotta make it you got three stages to it. First, you gotta make it automatic, then it becomes a habit, and then it becomes a part of you as a character. It's a part of your character, right? So automatic, no thought needed, no thoughts. You don't think about it once it's automatic. You don't need no motivation. So the habits, now you already got habits right now, you already know you got habits. So your habits right now, to show you a little example, brushing your teeth, that's a habit. Showering, that's a habit. Scrolling, that's a habit. So you need to make these better habits automatic. So you got to replace those habits with better habits. I'm not saying you got to stop brushing your teeth, I'm not saying that. So you got to see what habits you're building, what habits you're doing automatically that's not improving your life, and replace those habits with better habits. Like reading over scrolling. Like 30-minute walk instead of scrolling, you feel me? And learn something new every day. You always want to be learning something new every day. This life is always evolving, things is always changing. So you always want to be learning something new every day. So build habits and build better habits. You feel me? 30-minute walk, 30-minute walk. I'm telling you, don't sleep on a 30-minute walk every day. So discipline, why you need discipline? Discipline equals freedom. Undiscipline is a cage. Or your discipline, you get the choice to choose what you want to do. You know, you could decide, all right, maybe I eat a cheat meal today, but I'm going to balance it out by go working out and burn it off tomorrow. You have the discipline to do that. Undisciplined people don't have those type of choices, you feel me? They just keep going by their emotions. They go up and down by motivation. So discipline equals freedom. So just like I said at the start of this video, you got to make it easy to do and hard not to do. So you got to pick simple things that you could do automatically and make it easy, and just stick with it for 30 minutes, for 30 days straight. Just like a 30-minute walk, that's easy to do. Even if you want to go 30 minutes, break it down to 10 minutes. 10-minute walk every day for 30 days. If you could build that, you're going to turn it into a habit as long as you show up for 30 days straight. Build that for 30 days, and like I said, don't sleep on that 30-minute walk. Make it easy to do and hard not to do. You feel me? 30 days, 30-minute walk or a 10-minute walk straight. Make that automatic, like I said. Next thing you know, you're running a mile consistently just by building that simple 30-minute walk or a 10-minute walk daily, every day for 30 days. When you build small habits, you build strength for the bigger habits. So don't sleep on these simple rules, these simple techniques that you could do easy. You could start it right now. You don't gotta wait till tomorrow. You don't gotta wait till next week. You can start building discipline today. Like I said, just simple things like reading over scrolling, 10-minute walk, learning something new, whether that's on YouTube, whatever it is. Make sure you're always getting better. Make sure you're always building discipline. Discipline equals freedom. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Make sure you like this video. Comment below if you have any tips on how to get this phone memory extended, because I already got the iCloud, all that shit still running out of memory. So I'm gonna see the next one, man.